In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Hisense soundbar is not working anymore, and could be many different issues. Could be trouble connecting with your TV or trouble connecting with the wireless subwoofer it came with. So the first thing I always suggest when you have troubles with any devices is to disconnect them from the power. So turn around your soundbar and simply unplug the power cable. Do the same exact thing if you have a Hisense subwoofer. So go in the back and unplug it. Next step, wait around 2 minutes. Let the energy that is remaining in the device drain completely, and then go ahead and connect it back to the power source. Just by doing this, it can solve almost half of your problems. So try it out and hopefully you won't have any issues. Now, if the problem continue, what I suggest is that you do a factory reset. You can factory reset only the soundbar, but you can also reset the subwoofer in case this was your problem. So how do you do this? Well, it really depends on which Hisense soundbar model you have. On this one over here, this is the HS2100. All you have to do is to power on, make sure it's powered on, turned on, and then put the soundbar using the source selector in optical mode, and then press the power button during around 5 seconds until you hear reset. So once you do this, you can also reset your subwoofer. To reset your subwoofer, you're gonna have a pair button on the back or on the front. Find where your pair button is located and press it until you hear a sound, a melody playing out of the sub only. Okay, it's playing this weird thing. Now the sub will be resetted. It's in pairing mode. We need to go on the soundbar, turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth.
Find the source button and keep press on it.
Subwoofer pairing.
Once you hear subwoofer pairing, remove your finger and everything will be paired again after the reset. And hopefully this will solve your issue you're having with your soundbar. If you're having troubles with the remote control, let me show you how to fix this, because sometimes it's not this unit or that unit the problem, it's actually just the remote control acting up. We'll need to disconnect the power from the main soundbar. So go in the back and simply unplug it. Okay? And leave it unplugged. Take your remote control, remove the batteries. All right, and with the battery removed, you're gonna press the power button of the remote control during around 20 seconds. Keep your hand and your finger pressed like this. We're gonna drain all the remaining energy from the remote. After 20 seconds, release. And now what I suggest is you press every button of this remote control very hard, okay? Press very hard, at least 3-4 times each. Okay, it may take you 3 minutes to do this. Why would you do this? It's very simple. It's because over time there is debris, sometimes dust, dirt that gets stuck under the button, okay? And the button does not make any contact when you press on it because there's dust under it. By pressing hard, we're trying to dislodge anything that may be stuck under the button. And the thing is, if one of these buttons stop working, it's not making contact, there's a good chance that it will affect the whole remote control and it will stop working completely, although it's just one button causing the issue. So go ahead and do it. Press very hard on each button, and at the end simply put back the batteries. All right. Connect back your soundbar, and once everything is okay, power the soundbar using the button on the top, not the remote control. And
Power on.
when is power on, try using the remote control and see if it's working. Hopefully this trick will solve your issue. If after trying everything you're still having issues, I'll put links on Amazon for replacement remote controls for your Hisense Soundbar. Remote controls that are actually compatible. In case you want to check them out, check the link. Look out at my links, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment as well if this worked. I'm really curious.